As you can see, I pretty well got the bass knob done. Only thing I like is putting a LED on top for the knobs so they'll be lit up so you know what you're turning the knob to in the dark. But as you can see, ended up really well. Got heat shrink all the way down, braided cables, and yes, you can see that is Audiopipe on the heat shrink. Looks pretty good, I thought. A little added to it. Got the decal on the side. Got another one in the back. And I'll turn it down and see if we can tell just a little bit of difference. So as you can tell, you can't hear anything right now. I don't have it up loud, just hard for me to hold the camera and do all this at once. So I'm going to try to turn it back up and get it to bump just a little so you can see that it does work.
There's much too many freaks. My muscle is dragging, my suspension's getting weak. I'm a freak, I'm getting hungry and makes a lot scream. We stopped at Taco Bell for some Mexican meat.
Oh yeah, it works good. I love it. Works good, looks good. Best part, all of it is Audiopipe, except for heat shrink, braided, and the box along with the knob. Everything else inside is all Audiopipe wire, bass knob, components inside, bass knob with Audiopipe.